In the words of Miranda Priestley, florals for spring, groundbreaking. Grab some wine, invite everyone over, and channel your crafty side. Because in today's video, I will be showing you 5 ways you can incorporate your favorite flowers in all your pre-wedding celebration decor. Because after all, trends come and go, but florals are always in style. Just like my floral blazer over here. So what are you waiting for? Keep on watching to see how you can make all of this. When it comes to decorating, you just can't think about the tables. But what about every part of the room, like the ceiling? First, you're going to take a styrofoam ball and tie some string around the ball and secure. Next, you're going to either hot glue or push the stems of your flowers over the string and onto your ball to secure the string as well as the flowers. I'm actually going to take a toothpick and stick it in the stem and then stick it on your styrofoam ball. I love using sunflowers because they're one of my favorite flowers, but really you can use any sort of flower you want. You can even match the flowers to the flowers your florist is providing, which you can find over at WeddingWire.com. Now on to our next project. Take your love plate set, which we got over at the WeddingWire shop, and start hot gluing some of your favorite flowers to the bottom of each letter. This is where you pour yourself a glass of wine, put on some music, get creative. Guys, can you tell how much I love florals? Because I'm wearing a floral jacket. So these projects are for me. Give a girl a hot glue gun and she can take on the world. And there you have it, L-O-V-E, love. Good thing I can smell. So our love plates are all nice and decorated, so now it's on to the next project. For those who love a romantic style or going for that enchanted garden theme, this is the project for you. I am taking these geometric candle holders from the WeddingWire shop and gently weaving in a mix of roses and greenery. Also, bonus, if you're playing any of those fun wedding games, these centerpieces will actually make for great prizes, so your guests can take home one of your creations. We have a completed one right here. I'm going to make one more before we move on to our next project, which is an upgraded paper lantern. We are giving the ceiling all the love with another hanging project to join our beautiful sunflower kissing bowl. We're upgrading those paper lanterns with a few easy steps. I am using these pretty patterned paper lanterns from the WeddingWire shop and refreshing them by hot gluing an arrangement of flowers that match the lanterns or your party's color scheme. So I'm going to unfold the pretty lantern. And since we're hanging them, I'm going to take some ribbon. So since this has a beautiful floral pattern, I'm gonna take some more flowers that go along with the colors and just start hot gluing. Again, really no right or wrong way of doing it, so just have fun. You can add as many flowers as you would like, but I'm gonna stop there. I'm pretty happy with this. So the next project is called the floating candle. So first, I'm going to take a vase of any size really, and I'm going to use this really cool thing that I just discovered. They are called jelly water beads. So what you do is you're going to pour a little bit in your vase. And then you're going to add some water. So these jelly beads take 6 to 8 hours to soak, and they're going to expand and give the flower and candle, which we're going to put in later, kind of like a floating look. It is so cool. You gotta stick around to see. So now we're going to take a flower and wedge it into your jar. Just gonna wedge it in. And now we're going to take even more water, and you're going to see that the jelly beads are going to disappear, and it's going to look like the flower is floating. Everybody is going to be amazed by these centerpieces. So we're going to carefully fill our vase all the way to the top. We want to make sure we have enough room for the candle. Can you tell they're disappearing? It looks invisible. I'm so excited about this project. I mean, come on. If I can do this, everybody can do it. It looks so cool. Am I the only one that's just amazed by this? So lastly, we're going to put our candle on top, and it floats, and it's a miracle. I didn't mess this up, I don't think. It looks great. And there you have it, this really elevated centerpiece that only took a few steps. So we finished our floating candles, we finished all of our projects. I am now surrounded by floral beauty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below which project was your favorite, and make sure to subscribe to WeddingWire for even more DIYs coming soon. I'll see you next time. Bye.